I've been coming to Porto's for at least 10 years.
Oh my God, years.
This is like my second year.
This is actually my first day coming to Porto.
At least 10 years.
We've been coming to Porto since about 1985, about 34 years.
The one in Glendale.
We started in Glendale.
And then Downey, and then Buena Park, and here.
My favorite pastry from Porto's Bakery has to be the cheese jalapeno potato balls.
The cheese rolls.
I would have to say the cheese rolls.
My favorite pastry would be the guava, strudel, anything with the guava.
Potato balls, yeah.
Cheese rolls.
No way. Like for real?
Like you do with send it to my house?
Just send it by drone, it'll be faster.
Wow, that's amazing.
That'd be amazing.
That was actually pretty good.
It has to be my Uncle Joel. He was the first person that ever introduced me to Porto's Bakery, and now he lives out in Miami, so I know it'd be a piece of home for him.
Probably my best friend in Florida.
Probably my niece in North Carolina.
My sister who lives in Chicago.
If you could ship that to my house or to her house in Colorado, I'm sure that we'd all be very, very happy all the time.